President Vladimir Putin is now over. The White House says Biden urged Russia to de-escalate tensions with Ukraine. Biden made it clear the U.S. and our allies will, quote, respond decisively, end quote, if Russia further invades Ukraine. There's no holiday season magic for travelers dealing with today's batch of flight delays and cancellations. FlightAware says there have already been more than 3,000 flights that haven't taken off on time or have been canceled. Those planning to leave or go to Seattle are having the most problems. The agency that forecasts the trajectory of Hawaii's COVID numbers is concerned about what kind of figures the state will see after the New Year's weekend. The Hawaii Pandemic Applied Modeling Work Group projected the state would see 4,000 cases by Friday. Today, Hawaii saw a record 3,484 infections. HIPAM says the high numbers were fueled by Christmas gatherings. From the KSSK News Center, I'm Roger Mari.
Breaking news.
I'm Jack Crumley. Actress Betty White has died. Her acting career started in the 1930s when she was 8 years old on radio. 3 months after she graduated high school, she was on TV. Life with Elizabeth became a nationally syndicated show in the 1950s. Betty White made multiple game show appearances in the 60s. She played Sue Ann Nivens on the Mary Tyler Moore Show in the 70s. And Betty White won 7 Emmys in her career, including Best Comedy Actress in 1986 for the first season of The Golden Girls.
I am the lucky one who gets to come up and pick up this beautiful golden girl. But Estelle and Rue and Bee and I all thank you. We're a match set. You can't split us up.
Betty White was 99 years old.
More updates on this iHeartRadio station or anytime online at iHeartRadio.com.
Hawaii's feel-good favorite.
I got you. You be right. Anyway, what would you? As good as you, I need you to stay. Without you, then I can't.
Feel every turn. Lean into every curve. Motion simulation brings gaming to life. 4 simulators in one, with a seat that switches between driving positions. From sport racing and off-roading to stock cars and Formula cars. Used by World Championship racing drivers and esports teams, get the LC starting at $1,800 or the TL Series starting at $40,000. For a limited time, save 15% when you pre-order at motionsimulation.com. Prices exclude tax and shipping.
If holiday music turns your joy all the way up to 10, then SiriusXM is your home for the holidays. From traditional and country to pop, soul, and so much more, SiriusXM has exclusive holiday channels dedicated to the music that makes your season bright. Listen in the car on the way to the party or in the living room as you're wrapping presents. Visit SiriusXM.com/listenholiday for how to start listening.
Kuakini Health System. Caring is our tradition.
Aloha, this is Gary Kajiwara, President and CEO of Kuakini Health System. This has been another unique year as we continue to fight against COVID-19 while ensuring the availability and access to healthcare services for our patients and long-term care residents. The Kuakini Healthcare Team is committed to maintaining the legacy of our founders to help those persons in need. As we move forward to a better future in 2022, we will continue our mission to improve the health of the community.
You are tired of being tired.
I've never slept like this before. I've never woken up like this before.
A melatonin-free sleep aid made with a botanical blend that contains clinically studied and effective valerian root, hops, and passion flower, shown to help promote better restorative sleep. ZzzQuil Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep. Sleep this good, feel this good. Available at retailers near you.
Mitsubishi Electric and AC Warehouse would like to thank all who have sacrificed for and committed to the fight against COVID-19. We'd also like to thank everyone for supporting local businesses in Hawaii during these difficult times. When it's time to purchase your new air conditioning systems, be sure to go with the Mitsubishi Electric, the brand with the most highly trained technicians, the best warranty, and nearly 40 years experience of cooling Hawaii's homes, schools, and businesses. So when it's time, choose quality, choose comfort, choose a Mitsubishi Electric air conditioner.
The music we listen to all year long. The anthems that were our soundtrack for 2021. And the stars who made the songs we love. Will all be celebrated at our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Awards.
Let's get it started.
Coming back to Fox, March 22nd, live from Los Angeles. Get ready for our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Awards.
TrustWindowsHawaii.com.
KSSK-FM Waipahu and KSSK-AM Honolulu, 92.3 KSSK, an iHeart radio station. Available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts, all in one.
You've been working on yourself. Nobody else is good.